In this training session, we're going to look at utilities master file changes. Now, master file changes was created to log all the changes that were made to the master files. In other words, debtors maintenance or creditors master files, your ledger, even your company tables and your company default tables. Here it will show you every single field that was used. If I scroll right down to the bottom, the last change that it shows here was a change that was made to the debtors master files. There was a specific debtor that was used. It tells us that the field credit limit was selected and that the credit limit for this specific user was changed from 7,000 to 10,000 Rand. It will also display the date and the time, and then it will give you an indication of the user number and the name, so that we can keep track of what was done by who. If we look at our screen here, you can see that we can select visible fields. In other words, I can, for instance, switch off some of the fields here if I don't want to see them. I can, for instance, switch off the user name, so that now I can just see the user number instead of the name. You can create filters that will allow you to extract certain types of information. In other words, I can create a filter to say that I would like to use the table stock. In other words, I only want to see all the changes that was made to the stock table. You can use search, and we can search by any field, by a specific word. We can delete some of these changes. One has to be very careful of delete, because delete will automatically delete the options and you will never see it again. Preview will allow you to preview a list of the changes. If one can preview, one can design the report, or you can send this report directly to the printer. And that concludes master file changes.